Motto the monkey visits the farm. Hello, friends. It's me, Motto the monkey. Today we're going on a big adventure. Not in the jungle, but to a special place called the farm. Let's go! Wow! Look at this place. Farms have so many animals, big machines, and even yummy food growing in the ground. Let's go explore. Wait, what was that? Let's follow the sound. Moo, it's a cow. Cows give us milk. Can you say moo with me? Moo. Good job. Cows love to eat grass and relax in the field. Whoa! Do you hear that? What animal could that be? Oink, oink. Look, it's a pig. Did you know pigs roll in the mud to stay cool? They don't sweat like we do, so mud helps them stay nice and chilly on hot days. Let's wiggle like a pig in the mud. Oink, oink. Wow! Look at those cute little animals there. Cheep, cheep. This is a chicken, and these are her baby chicks. Chickens lay eggs that people eat for breakfast. And do you know who wakes up the farm in the morning? That's right, the rooster. Roosters crow to tell everyone it's time to wake up. Now can you flap your arms like a chicken and say cluck, cluck? That's a great job. Ba, ba. What's this animal? A sheep. Sheep have fluffy wool that farmers use to make clothes, blankets, and scarves. After a while, their wool gets really long, so farmers give them a haircut called shearing. Let's all pretend to be sheep and say ba-ba together. Wow! That animal over there is fast! Let's go check it out. Look at that fast horse! Horses have strong legs and used to help farmers pull heavy wagons before cars and trucks were invented. Some farms still use horses to help with work. Let's gallop like a horse. Oh my! What is that sound? It's a duck. Ducks love to swim, and their feathers are waterproof. That means water rolls right off them, keeping them dry. Let's flap our arms like duck wings and say, quack, quack. Whoa! Look at this big machine. It's a tractor. Farmers use it to plow fields and plant crops like corn, wheat, and carrots. Without tractors, farming would take a lot longer. Can you say tractor? Yes, great job! Farms grow yummy food. Look, I see carrots, tomatoes, and corn. Some vegetables grow underground, like potatoes and carrots, while others grow on top, like lettuce and beans. What's your favorite vegetable? Yum! That sounds delicious. Meow! Look, it's a farm cat. Cats help keep the farm clean by catching little mice that try to eat the farmer's crops. And here's a farm dog. Dogs help guard the farm and keep animals safe. Let's all bark like a dog. Woof, woof! Now let's play a guessing game. I'll show you a picture, and you guess what animal it is. Are you ready? Let's go! What animal is this? I'll give you a hint. It gives us milk. A cow! Yes! This animal loves rolling in the mud. Can you guess what it is? A pig! Great job! This fluffy animal gives us wool to make clothes. What is it? Yes, a sheep! This animal runs really fast and used to pull wagons. What is it? A horse! You got it! This animal loves to swim and says quack, quack. What is it? A duck! You are right again. Yay! Great job, kids! We learned so much today. We met cows, pigs, chickens, ducks, and even saw a big tractor. Farms are amazing because they give us food, clothes, and lots of cute animals. Thanks for coming on this adventure with me. Now, kids, always remember that you are so smart. Keep learning as much as you can and always listen to your parents. And I'll see you next time for more learning fun. Bye-bye. Hey, kids, one last thing. If you had fun learning today, make sure to click the subscribe button so we can go on more adventures together. See you next time. Bye-bye.